Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add and use multiple Instagram accounts. If you're using Instagram and you want to use multiple Instagram accounts, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Instagram app. Very first I recommend you have to check for updates for your Instagram app to prevent issues. So open your App Store and Play Store, and here you have to go for search. Search for Instagram, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Instagram app. If you find you have to try to update your app, so after updating, you have to go back and open your Instagram app. And here, just tap on your profile option in the bottom right corner. Now, on your profile page, you just have to tap on your name option here or your username. Just tap on that option here, and you'll get this type interface. From here, you just have to select Add Instagram account. And then, if you want to log into any existing Instagram accounts, you can do that from here. Or if you want to create a new account, so you can select the second option. But I'm going to select login to existing account. Here, just select that option. Now just wait for this loading. And after that, you'll get a login screen, or if you have any saved profile or account in your Instagram, it will be show up here. Or you just tap on this add Instagram account options and tap on login to existing account, and then you will get the login screen here. So from here, just select use another profile, and here you just have to log into your account. So once you have logged in, you'll get two accounts on your phone, or you can use multiple accounts, up to 7 accounts in one Instagram app. So in this way, you can easily add and use multiple accounts. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.